Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Fidelity to your bank account. Just follow these steps so you can safely move your funds anytime you need. Start by securely logging into your Fidelity account. Enter your username and password and complete any verification steps such as a code sent to your phone or email. Once inside, choose the specific Fidelity account you want to transfer money out of. Double check the balance and account details to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Now, select the bank account where you want the money to be sent. Make sure the routing and account numbers are correct to avoid errors. Type in the exact amount you want to send. Be careful and review the numbers before moving on to avoid mistakes. Before submitting, review all the details: the bank account, the source account, and the amount. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer, and that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to transfer money from Fidelity to your bank account quickly, safely, and without any issues.